automation control systems are systems that are controlling that process to take a raw material and turn it into a product for consumers to use. I'm Justin Blazard. I'm the industrial manufacturing instructor here at TVCC. We offer an associate's degree in industrial manufacturing and controls.
We mostly focus on sensors and how they work and how their limits and how they can integrate with other systems.
So learning how to connect sensors, valves, motors, things like that to a controller, and then how to adjust program or even write program to get the controller to perform a specific function or task.
Basically anything with automation that requires machines to kind of go on their own and do their own thing. Anything from things that process onions to processing candy bars even probably. The eyes and ears of those machines are what we're learning about.
I really enjoy seeing when a student comes into the program and they're able to get one of these great jobs in local manufacturing facilities here in our area.
We have a lot of onion processing plants. We have a Coke plant, a Pepsi plant, so there's a lot of opportunity for people to who know this kind of thing to really find a job.
I started this class and I immediately had gotten a job in this field, so that's pretty nice.
And they get good jobs where the pay is good. They generally start at least 18 bucks an hour.
So we really see ourselves as the economic engine for the region. We work together with business and industry, with cities, with local school districts, and we see that paying off in families for generations to come.
It's a great opportunity for students to get involved in an industry that is really excelling right now.
There's a lot about it I do really like. Coding, understanding the sensors and their limitations.
If you like to create things, if you like to design things and work with electronic circuits and with mechanical components and putting all those elements together into a system to create a machine that can perform a specific task, this is a great program to get involved with.
Well, I'm a maintenance technician, so everything from sensors and pneumatics, controls, all of that is very essential for my position. And I have loved every bit of this. This is like the funnest program I've ever been in.